Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through CSS text. CSS has a lot of properties for formatting text. You can change color, alignment, decoration, transformation, spacing. You can add shadow to your text. We'll discuss all of these techniques one by one, and for this video I'm using VS Code as my code editor. And if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my videos and find the links in the description below. Moreover, we have got this index.html, a very basic HTML document. Let me show you what we have in this document. Here we have index.html. Let me keep them side by side. And I'm also gonna word wrap my editor. Alright, now I'm gonna add in here a paragraph tag, and within a paragraph tag I'm gonna add some lorem text. This is what we have. Let me zoom it a bit. Alright, that looks perfect. And if you are using VS Code, I suggest you install Live Server extension. Here it is, so you don't need to reload your page as you make changes to your source file. Alright, so to add a color to your text, go to the to add a color to your text, just go to head tag, and I'm gonna add in here style tag. Within the style tag I'm going to give a reference of this paragraph tag followed by curly braces, and I'm going to type in here a color property. You can set a color with a name or RGB, HSL, or hexadecimal values. I'm gonna choose here blue. Hit save, and notice the color of our text changed to blue. You can also change the background of your text with background color property, and here I'm gonna select Bollywood, hit save. Now I'm gonna add in here a couple of headings. Let's take H2, heading 2, and I'm gonna have another heading H3. I'm gonna type in here heading 3, and I'm also gonna have H4, heading 4. Hit save. Now let's set the alignment of these three headings. First I'm gonna give a reference of our heading 2 with H2 followed by curly braces. Let's take this heading to the center of this document, and I'm gonna give here a property of text align, and here we have got various values that you can set for the text alignment. Let's select center, hit save, and notice that heading 2 is centered now. Now I'm gonna give a reference of H3 followed by curly braces, and again give a property of text align. Let's make it left. It's already aligned to the left. There won't be any difference. And now I'm gonna give a reference of our H4, yes, followed by curly braces, and text align to right. Hit save. Our heading 4 is aligned to the left now. Now let's discuss a little bit about text decoration. The text decoration property is used to set or remove decorations from text. And for the demonstration, I'm gonna add in here another paragraph tag, and this is a link to some website. And here I'm gonna give another tag, say anchor tag, and let's type in here www.google.com, and the text would be go to Google. Hit save. Notice that the text, let me delete this text for now. Hit save, and I'm also gonna delete this styling for the paragraph tag. Hit save. Notice that this link is by default underlined, and to remove this decoration, what you can do is go back to your style tag and type in here a followed by curly braces, and I'm gonna give here a property of text decoration none. Hit save, and notice that underline is gone. Besides that, we have got various text decorations. Let's go to H2, and I'm gonna type in here text decoration. We have got options. Let me see if I find right here. We have got various options. You can set here overline. Hit save, and notice that our heading 2 has got line above this heading. Now let's go to H3, and I'm gonna type in here text decoration, and the value would be line through. Hit save. Notice this heading 3 has got line through decoration, and go to H4 and type in here text decoration underline. Underline. Hit save, and now our heading 4 is underlined. You can also transform your text as uppercase, lowercase, or capitalized by text transform property. Let's add in here another paragraph, and I'm gonna type in here text transformation. Hit save, and this is what we have right now. And let's go back to our style tag, and I'm gonna give a reference of this paragraph tag. Let's give it a class of 1, so that the styling we are going to this paragraph won't affect other paragraph. And let's copy the class name and give a reference of this class name here, followed by dot, and I'm gonna type in here text transform to capitalize. It's safe. Now notice that the text has been transformed to capital letters, and you can also change it to uppercase. It's safe. All the letters are transformed to uppercase. You can also change it back to lowercase. It's safe. Now our text is turned to lowercase. You can also set the indentation of your text with text-indent property, and you can set it with pixels. Let's say 50 pixels. Hit save. Now our text is pushed 50 pixels forward from the left margin. You can also set Let me fix this. You can also set the space between the characters in a text with letter spacing property, and I'm gonna type in here say 10 pixels. It's safe. Notice that the space between the letters is changed to 10 pixels. Or you can also go negative. Hit save and notice that our text is changed to negative 10 pixels. Now you can also set the line height of your text. Let me modify it a bit, and I'm also gonna delete this property for now. Let's make it 10 pixels. It's safe. Let's take this to the next line, and let's change this to this is a line 1, sorry, and this is a line 2, and this is a line 3. It's safe. This is what we have now. I'm also gonna remove the indentation of this text. It's safe. Let's add in here line break a couple of times. It's safe. And now I'm gonna change the space between these lines, and you can change it with the property line height, say 0.5. Hit save. Or you can also make it 1.5. Hit save. You can also change the space between words with word spacing property, and let's set this to 10 pixels. Hit save. Now the space between the words is changed to 10 pixels. Now let's make some changes. Say I'm gonna delete this text from here, and I'm gonna add in here some lorem text. It's safe, and this is what we have right now. And by default this is wrapped, and you can remove this wrapping with a property of white space, say no wrap. It's safe, and the text goes out of the browser. Now I'm gonna undo this, or let's say I'm gonna delete all of these paragraphs for now. It's safe, and I'm also gonna delete these headings for now. Let's delete all of these stylings for now. Now you can also add a shadow to your text with the text shadow. Let's go back to your style tag, and I'm gonna give a reference of our heading 2 followed by curly braces, and type in here text. Alright, text dash shadow, and you can give a value here in pixels, say 2 pixels by 2 pixels. It's safe, and now our heading has got shadow. You can also change the color of the shadow by adding another value here, say blue. It's safe. You can also add a blur effect if you add third value here, say 5 pixels. It's safe. Or you can add a color property here, say white. It's safe. Now you can play yourself. There are unlimited effects you can create yourself. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.